Good morning, dear grade 7 students. I hope everyone are good. We shall have a glance about our lesson human environment, settlement, transport, and communication. The heading itself tells us it's a geography. So, for the human environment, the topic says that people stay in a place and what type of place they stayed and what type of transport they used and how did the communication started to develop. We shall see from this lesson one by one. We shall see what is site. The place where a building or settlement develops is called its site. Then we are seeing that the selection of the place must be favorable climate, availability of water, suitable land, fertile soil. What do you see in this picture? We see a place where people live. So, when a people want to live there, definitely they must have suitable climate and they must have water and they must have a fertile land to cultivate the crops. It is called the settlement. Now we are going to see the important word transhumans. What is transhumans? It is a seasonal movement of people. People who rear animals move in search of new pastures according to changes in seasons. So, in this place, we see that the people have cattle. They have to graze the cattle, they have to feed the cattle. So, they are going to in place where they have to have enough feeding for their cattle. Now we shall see that these people are going in search of pastures. Pastures is a place where it is a grassland. It is a grassland. Children, what do you see in this picture? Can you identify what is the picture is? Yes, it is an igloo. It's a house made of ice. And we must know where is this igloo made means we can see that we can find the ice cubes, ice blocks in the polar region, that is the Antarctic region. In that places only people build igloos. And we see that Eskimos make this igloos. And this ice house is called igloo made by Eskimos and it is situated in the polar region, that is the poles, Antarctic and we can see the Arctic. Okay, these are the two fridge zones. In these areas we can see this type of houses. Now children, we see there are national and state highways in India. The latest development in India is the construction of expressways. Expressways means we can move fastly. It's not slow, it is fast. The Golden Quadrilateral connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Now we are seeing the India map and we shall locate Delhi, then Mumbai. From Mumbai we come to Chennai. From Chennai we go to Kolkata here. Then from Kolkata we go to Delhi. So this is called the quadrilateral, golden quadrilateral. that connects four important cities, and we see from Delhi to Mumbai, then Mumbai to Chennai, Chennai to Kolkata, then from Kolkata to Delhi again. So this is called a golden quadrilateral. Here we see the train from Zinging to Lhasa runs at the altitude of 4000 meter above sea level, and the highest point is 5072 meter. So from the sea level, the high level, a train is running, that is from which place? Zinking to Lhasa. Trans-Siberian Railway. It is the longest railway system that connects Petersburg in Western Russia to Vladivostok on the Pacific coast. So we can see this is the longest railway system. It's called a Trans-Siberian Railway. Finally, in this lesson, we shall learn about the sea routes, air routes, and also the communication, how it was developed. We are going to see very clearly. Now, what we saw in this video is the interior of this lesson. Kindly see the video without skipping. Thank you, children.